This video will focus on using PowerPoint for the main signage content in Signage Plus. This PowerPoint was created as an example of a high school teacher using Signage Plus as a tool in the classroom for greeting students, providing information before and during class, and other hands-off interactions. Once the PowerPoint has been saved, it should be converted to a PDF. To do that, click on File. There is an option to change the file type in Save a Copy, but the easiest choice is to click Export, then Create PDF. When the Publish window opens, select a location and a name for the file. By default, it will be the same as the PowerPoint file. Then choose from the options available. By default, the Open File After Publishing will most likely be checked, but you can uncheck that unless you want to view the file after it is converted. To save storage space, it is recommended that the minimum size radio button is selected instead of standard. Select Publish, and the file will be exported. Once complete, go to the Media Library tab in Signage Plus and import the file as shown here. Check the folder or create a new one where the file is to be located and choose Add Files. Navigate to the file, open it, and click Continue. All of these next steps are covered in other videos, but let's take this full circle and create a playlist and add it to a signage file. Click on Create Playlist, select the designated playlist or add a new one, being mindful that the playlist name should be highlighted as shown here. Select the Media tab and locate the file that was uploaded and drag it over into the playlist window. Once there, the timings will need to be set for the slides. Remember that the timing designation on these items represents the total for the file. So in this case, it is 9 slides, and I want them to play for 10 seconds each. This would make the file loop at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Enter the time accordingly, and then click on Save Playlist. To create and schedule the signage, follow the instructions on the Create Signage videos. Thanks for watching.